Are you ready to take your relationship with your kids to the next level? In today's video, we'll explore 12 expert tips for building a loving relationship with your kids. But we won't stop there. We'll dive deeper by discovering practical exercises and activities that you can try with your children to strengthen your bond. Plus, we'll address common challenges that parents face and provide solutions to overcome them. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey of connection, growth, and love with your kids. Let's dive in. Building a loving relationship with your kids is essential for their emotional well-being and overall development. Welcome to Meducatives. This is the official YouTube channel of www.meducatives.com. We believe that awareness is everything, and our goal is to promote it. Here are 12 expert tips to help you strengthen the bond with your children. 1. Prioritize quality time. Spend dedicated, uninterrupted time with your kids, engaging in activities they enjoy. This shows them that they are important and valued. Research shows that quality time strengthens parent-child relationships and positively impacts children's well-being and academic success. Barnett, 2016. 2. Active listening. Practice active listening by giving your full attention when your child is speaking to you. Show empathy, understanding, and validate their feelings. It involves being fully present, maintaining eye contact, and providing verbal and non-verbal cues to show understanding. Active listening builds trust, fosters emotional connection, and helps children develop effective communication skills. Querstret et al., 2021. 3. Communicate openly. Create an environment where your children feel comfortable expressing their thoughts, feelings, and concerns. Encourage open and honest communication. Encouraging open dialogue helps children develop strong emotional intelligence, problem-solving skills, and resilience. Walensky et al., 2018. 4. Show affection. Physical affection, such as hugs and kisses, is essential for building emotional connections. Express your love and affection through both words and actions. Physical affection, such as hugging and cuddling, releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, in both children and parents. Feldman, 2012. 5. Be present. Be physically and mentally present when you're with your kids. Minimize distractions and focus on building a strong connection in the present moment. Being fully present when spending time with your children enhances their sense of security and belonging. Mikhail et al., 2012. 6. Foster trust. Build trust with your children by keeping your promises, being reliable, and maintaining consistency in your actions. Trust is the foundation of any loving relationship. When parents consistently fulfill their promises and demonstrate reliability, children feel secure and develop a sense of trust in their caregivers. Kachanska et al., 2011. 7. Set boundaries. Establish clear and reasonable boundaries, rules, and expectations. This provides structure and guidance while also showing that you care about their well-being. Research suggests that appropriate parental control and guidance contribute to children's self-regulation skills and promote positive outcomes in various domains. Hoffman et al., 2013. 8. Practice positive discipline. Use discipline methods that focus on teaching and guiding rather than punishment. Encourage cooperation, responsibility, and respect. Research shows that positive discipline strategies, such as redirection, logical consequences, and problem-solving discussions, enhance children's self-control, empathy, and moral reasoning. Grusek, 2011. 9. Encourage independence. Allow your children to make age-appropriate decisions, take on responsibilities, and learn from their mistakes. This fosters their sense of autonomy and self-confidence. Encouraging children to make age-appropriate decisions and take on responsibilities fosters their autonomy and self-confidence. Ryan and Deci, 2017. 10. Be a role model. Children learn by observing their parents. Model the behavior you want to see in them, such as kindness, respect, and empathy. Provides children with essential social and emotional skills. Eisenberg et al., 2016. 11. Support their interests. Take an interest in your child's hobbies, activities, and passions. Encourage their individuality and provide opportunities for them to explore their interests. Validates their individuality and fosters a sense of competence and self-worth. Grolnick et al., 2002. 12. Celebrate their achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your child's accomplishments, big and small. Show genuine pride and encourage their self-esteem. Positive reinforcement and recognition of good behavior have been found to increase the likelihood of its repetition. Kasdan, 2018. Now that we've discussed the expert tips for building a loving relationship with your kids, let's explore some practical exercises and activities that you can try with your children. Guided meditation exercises. Engage in mindfulness or guided meditation exercises with your children. This promotes relaxation, emotional awareness, and strengthens the parent-child bond. You can explore guided meditation apps or YouTube channels designed for kids. Creative projects. Get involved in arts and crafts, cooking, gardening, or building projects together. These shared creative activities foster collaboration, boost creativity, and provide quality bonding time. Family game nights, family meals. Establish a regular family game night where everyone participates. Playing board games or interactive games promotes teamwork, communication, and strengthens family bonds. Storytelling and reading together. Engage in storytelling or reading together with your children. This encourages imagination, language development, and provides an opportunity for meaningful conversations and shared experiences. Volunteer or community service. Involve your children in volunteer or community service activities. This teaches empathy, compassion, and social responsibility. Working together for a common cause strengthens your bond while making a positive impact on the community. Outdoor adventures. Plan outdoor adventures such as nature walks, picnics, or bike rides with your children. Spending time in nature promotes physical activity, reduces stress, and provides an opportunity for shared exploration and connection. Remember to adapt these activities to suit the age and interests of your children. Have fun, be present, and create lasting memories with your children. Building a loving relationship with your kids is a wonderful journey, but it can also come with its fair share of challenges. Addressing common challenges. Overcoming obstacles and building a loving relationship with your kids. Time constraints. Many parents struggle with finding enough quality time to spend with their children due to busy schedules. To overcome this, prioritize and schedule dedicated time for your kids. Even short, focused moments can make a significant impact on your relationship. Communication barriers. Sometimes, parents and children may face communication challenges, particularly when it comes to expressing emotions or navigating conflicts. Practice active listening. Encourage open dialogue, and create a safe space for your children to share their thoughts and feelings. Use age-appropriate language and adapt your communication style to their developmental stage. Discipline and boundaries. Setting and enforcing boundaries can be a challenging aspect of parenting. Establish clear rules and consequences, and ensure consistency in their application. Remember to explain the reasoning behind the rules to help children understand and internalize them. Generation gap. As children grow older, they may develop different interests and values, leading to a generation gap between parents and kids. Bridge this gap by showing genuine interest in their world, actively participating in their activities, and having open-minded discussions that foster mutual understanding and respect. Technology and screen time. With the increasing presence of technology, parents often face the challenge of managing their children's screen time and ensuring a healthy balance. Establish screen time limits, encourage offline activities, and engage in tech-free quality time together. Sibling rivalry. Sibling conflicts and rivalry can strain parent-child relationships within the family. Foster a positive sibling dynamic by promoting cooperation, conflict resolution skills, and individual attention for each child. Encourage teamwork and celebrate their unique strengths. Parental self-care. Neglecting self-care can impact a parent's ability to maintain a loving relationship with their children. Prioritize your well-being by engaging in activities that recharge you, seeking support from others, and setting realistic expectations for yourself. Parental guilt. Parents often experience guilt, questioning their decisions or feeling like they're not doing enough. Remember that parenting is a learning process, and mistakes are inevitable. Practice self-compassion and focus on the efforts you make to build a loving relationship with your children. By addressing these common challenges head-on and implementing practical strategies, we can nurture and strengthen our bond with our children. Remember, every parent-child relationship is unique, and it's okay to seek guidance and support along the way. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website www.meducatives.com. You may like our free ebooks and medical and health educational products on our website.